Welcome to week 25, everybody. Thank you so much. We're just going to continue on with our assignments. You're doing the 4 pieces left, the 4 parts: axle peg, linkage arm, linkage peg, and the cow catcher. And then you are modeling it, creating the assembly in Onshape. Now, I've yet to decide what we're doing with that assembly, if I'm going to have you put it in a border and title block. As of right now, no, but come Thursday and Friday, I might change my mind. It all depends. So make sure you're working on those assignments. Again, you can find them in the model train project file. All of the dimensioned pieces are in there, and it also gives you all of the quantities for each item or each part that you'll need for doing the assembly. So remember that. So, for example, you can see you need 4 wheels, 4 axle pegs, 2 linkage arms, 4 linkage pegs, 1 cow catcher, so forth and so on. So just make sure you're doing that and checking out that you have the right amount of pieces in your assembly. Also, make sure you're still doing them in the same Onshape file, just a different tab. That way it's easy to insert all your pieces into your assembly. Otherwise, if you have any questions, obviously feel free to shoot me a Schoology message. If not, I will see you guys in class and hope you have a great rest of your day.